Children, welcome to English class. Children, we are in block 20, compare and contrast. Lesson number 4, children, words for comparing. Keywords are but, both, and. Yes, children, now this is a T chart, children. We will call it T chart. Okay, like this. It is in the shape of T. Okay, now I have written in one side what is the same and the other side what is different. Okay, children. So here some words are there. When we are describing a person or thing, we use those words. Let me tell you, children. Both the king and tant are old. So here, children, the words both and we are using to describe king and tant. Similarities. We are describing the similarities of king and tant. What are same about king and tant? Both the king and tant are old. Now, children, if you come to this column, what is different? Tant is wise, but kin is foolish. Here, children, the word but. We are using the word but. Okay, children? Tant is wise, but kin is foolish. So, when we want to show the difference, we use the word but. Okay, children? Here, when we are describing the same things, we use both and. What is different? When we are talking about the differences, we use the word but. Okay, children? Use of both and. Okay, children? When we are using these words. Okay. So, see, children, here some sentences are there. Both Jan's seed and Ken and the magic powder are folktales. Here, children, both. Okay, we are using the words both and. Okay, when we are describing the same things about two story names, we are using both and children. Okay, second sentence. Both the king and tant are wise. Okay, so both of them are wise. We use both. Here we are using and also. Okay, children. Let us see the third sentence. Both the stories teach a lesson. Okay, both the story teach a lesson. So, two stories will teach the lesson. So, we are writing both. When we are describing the similarities of two things, we use the words both and. Till here, clear, children? Use of but. Yes, children, I am showing you some sentences in which we are using the word but. Difference. When we are telling difference between two things, we use the word but. Okay, children? The story Jan's seed is set in China. But, okay, children, here but I am underlining. But Ken and the magic powder is set in Myanmar. Okay, Jan's seed is from China, but Ken and the magic powder is Myanmar. From two different places. Okay, children. Second sentence. Tant was wise, but Ken was foolish. Yes, Tant was wise, but Ken was foolish. Okay, children. Third sentence. Jan wins in the end, but the other gardeners lose. Okay, children. We have what is the difference between the winner and the other gardeners?
Yes, children, now all of you all open your workbook, children. Page number 23. Write the date, children. S4. Words for comparing. Complete the sentences using the words both and or but. Okay, children. Now, according to sentence, we have to use the words given here, children. Okay, what are the words? Both and or but. Okay, let us read the sentence. A bit. The garden is full of flowers. Dash, the pots are empty. The garden is full of flowers and the pots are empty will come, children. Here anything similarity is there? No, children. Here no similarity is there. Here we have to use the word but, different. So they are showing. The garden is full of flowers, but we have to write the word B-U-T, but the pots are empty. B bit. Tant is wise, but B-U-T, but Ken is foolish. C bit, children. Dash, the king, dash, Tant are old. So king and Tant are old. So what we have to write? We have to write B-O-T-H. Both the king, A-N-D, and Tant are old. Here same similarity they are showing. Okay. D bit. Dash, the king, dash, Tant are wise. So both, B-O-T-H, both the king, A-N-D, and Tant are wise. Okay, children, now let us go to the second one. Second bit. Match the underlined word to its opposite to complete the sentence. First, children, Lily was hardworking. Hardworking, what is the opposite of hardworking? Lazy. Okay, children. So here where is the word lazy? Here. So Lily was hardworking, but Ken was lazy. So match like this, children. Put a line from this sentence to here. Okay, children. Now B bit. All the young men were happy. What is the opposite of happy? Sad. Here it is there. But Jan was sad. All the young men were happy, but Jan was sad. Both the stories had a problem in the beginning. Okay, beginning. Underline word is beginning. What is the opposite of beginning? End. So here where is end? Here. So but they were solved in the end. So like this you have to match. D bit. Jan's pot was empty. Empty opposite? Full. Yes, children. So where is full here? Here. But Lily's bags were full of gold. Jan's pot was empty, but Lily's bags were full of gold. Okay, children? Yes, children. Now question number 3. Write sentences using the words and but to tell about the setting, problem, or the solution from the two stories. So first we have to use the word and, children. Okay. Ken and Lily together solve the problem. Ken by planting the trees and Lily by saving the gold coins. Okay, children. Now we have to use but. Okay. So the king is wise but wants to appoint a new king as he is old. Yes, children, I have given you the sentences with the given words here and but. But I am giving you homework also here. You have to underline where is and here. Okay. And in this sentence you have to underline but. Okay, children, this is your homework. Use a color pencil. Red color pencil you all are having, no, children? Use red color pencil to underline the words and but. Okay, children, write your workbook neatly and learn S1, S2, S3, okay, of block 20. Meet you in the next class, children.